Hi, deal makers. So we are continuing our series on real estate versus stocks. Which one is better? So hi, I am Ronald Kagape. I am your real estate coach, and like I said earlier, this is a four-part series. We are now on part two. So you can find the links to part one somewhere in this video. Maybe there's a link somewhere below in the description. So in part two, we are going to answer this question. At the time of buying, how much is the value of stocks that you bought with your 100,000? So in part one, we imagined you had 100,000 to invest and you bought 100,000 pesos worth of stocks. So at the time that you bought those stocks, what is the value? Yeah, what is the value of those stocks? Okay. So it's not a trick question. The value of those stocks is 100,000, right? It could actually be a little bit lower because there are fees, right? When you buy stocks, the money that you use to buy is kind of deducted with fees, taxes, and all that. So you're actually a little bit negative, right? That 100,000 could probably be what, 99,500 or something to that effect. So, but it's pretty close. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward when you buy stocks. You buy 100,000, it will be a little bit lower, but still close to 100,000. Okay. Now, how about real estate? So, like we said, you used your 100,000 to buy real estate. You actually have a lot of ways to get into this. You could buy a 100,000 peso lot, right? You could use the 100,000 to make a 50% down payment on a lot that is worth 200,000, right? Or you could use that 100,000 to buy maybe a small, a low cost or socialized housing project, that is worth 500,000. So there is a lot of leeway because of the advantage of leverage. Now, so let's just say that your 100,000 was able to buy any of those. You were able to buy 100,000, 200,000, or 500,000. Now, at the time that you bought, say, that 100,000 peso lot, what is the value of the property? So I'd like you to think about it for a while. What is the value of the property that you bought for 100,000? Okay, so it could be the same, right? You could be right. You bought it 100,000 and the value is 100,000. However, right, it's possible that the seller was actually overpriced the property and was able to sell uh, to you a property that was really just worth 50,000 pesos. Okay, so it could work that way. It can also work the other way, where the seller was desperate and you were able to buy a property worth 150,000 for only 100,000, right? So can you imagine the implications? Let's just say, the other extreme that we mentioned earlier. You bought a property that's worth 500,000 with a 100,000 down payment. What if that property worth 500,000 was actually, the value of that property is actually 1 million, and you bought it with a 100,000 peso down payment, right? So that there are a lot of possibilities. Okay, and this is actually the second big advantage of real estate. Real estate is negotiable. You can negotiate the value of a property. You can increase your profitability. You can increase your equity through the use of words. You cannot do that with stocks. You cannot negotiate the value of the stocks that you will buy in the stock market. Okay, you could do that theoretically if you had billions. You're buying a company, then that's a different thing. Okay, but for us, for us regular people, When you are buying stocks in the stock market, you cannot negotiate the price. You can offer a low price and wait until the market makes it available to you. Okay. Otherwise, you buy at the price at that time. Okay. But with real estate, everything is negotiable in real estate. There's a lot of flexibility built in. You can actually not just negotiate the price, you can negotiate the terms of payment, the inclusions, right? You can negotiate if the furniture can be included, if the car can be included, everything is negotiable in real estate. And that's the second beauty of real estate. And that's why, I believe real estate is better than stocks. But we're not ending there. No, we still have two more videos coming up. So I encourage you, keep watching these videos, because what I want you to really do is to make deals so that we can all grow rich. Okay, so if you like this video, please like the video. Tell me what you think about it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. And please subscribe to the Dealmaker channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there are updates, in this channel. Alright, so subscribe to Dealmaker channel to get more real estate tips. And please do check out my book, No Money Down Formula in Real Estate. You can check that out at nomoneydownformula.com. So again, this has been Ronald Cagape, your real estate coach, wishing you may your deals push through.